it's Nicole from Cricut. In these videos, I'll walk you through a project using the Cricut card mat 2x2. I'll focus on ready-to-make insert card projects. I'm using an Explore Air 3, but these tips will work if you have any machine from the Maker or Explore families. Cricut has many card kits to choose from, with options in multiple sizes, dimensions, and colors. We'll start on the canvas. Make sure you have your Maker or Explore machine selected, and then click on Projects. You can search under all categories, or select the Insert Cards category, and then search for a term of your choice. There are thousands of expertly designed cards to choose from. You can search for a specific phrase, occasion, holiday, or even foil. This card is perfect. I'll choose it and click on the drop-down menu to select the size that corresponds with our insert card kit. In this case, that's the R40 or 4.75 inch by 6.6 inch size. Note that this project also requires a Cricut machine compatible pen. You can use any color of card kit and pen that you'd like. Just make sure that you like the way they look together. Click Make It to move on to the Prepare screen. You can see our card is automatically placed in the first position in the upper left-hand corner of the card mat. If we would like to make multiples of the same card at once, we can simply increase the project copies. For this video, we will just increase to 2 copies, so we have extras on hand. You can move the cards by simply dragging and dropping the image to the position you prefer. Just make sure that you place the insert cards on the mat in the corresponding positions to your mat preview. Don't worry, Design Space will automatically rotate and center your cards to fit within the dimensions of the size you selected. Check out our next video for Cricut Card Mat 2x2 preparation and assembly instructions.